In this video, we're actually going to be talking about what the system is and how it works. Okay. So as I say, you are going to be able to create campaigns, but you're also going to be able to take advantage of some pre-created campaigns that are already in the system for you. So let's just look at an example and we can show you exactly how this whole system works. So as usual with any affiliate campaign, you're going to have a squeeze page, an opt-in page where you're going to be able to get people's email addresses, get them signed up by giving them and offering them a free gift. Okay, so with this squeeze page, we're offering some kind of free product that they want, and in exchange, they're giving us their email address. We can then send them marketing emails in the future as and when we feel it's appropriate. Okay, so once they've put in their email address and they've signed up, they will be sent across to the secondary page. Okay, now the secondary page is a really cool page because this is where the system starts selling to the user straight away and starts recommending things that the viewer wants. So as you can see here, we've got a comparison of two products. And the left-hand product is actually the product that they've signed up for. And as you can see, congratulations, your free download is across the top. And this is what they've signed up for. Okay, and we can see that it says get free. This is the button for them to download. But as you can see, there is a series of features here on the left-hand side, and it is comparing their free product to another product. Okay. And this secondary product is an affiliate offer. Okay, and as you can see in the comparison table, the freebie only checks off the first feature. Okay, all of the other features that a person would want are the benefits of the secondary product. You can see it's got all the ticks there, and then here is a button to actually move across to your affiliate link for this said product. Okay, so as the page goes down, we have further information talking about taking the fast track to success, and this is promoting a high ticket product. Okay, this is promoting a high ticket product which has even more advanced features, as you can see here, coaching and done for you and calls and membership and community access. And here is a button that goes across to buy that affiliate product. Okay, so on this one product, we're giving away essentially the basic product, but we're showing the steps that the user could take to enhance and speed the process of what they want to achieve. Okay, and what you'll notice is that we also have this pop-up here on the right hand side that pops up at varying times, and what you'll see is it's just a little pop-up that says a little question, and the ability to say yes or no. If they say no, it just crosses off, but if they click yes, it's another way of funneling people through to go through to the high ticket offer. Okay, so the next page in the system is the download. So if someone clicks here, just they say that we don't want the upgrade, we don't want the high ticket, we just want our product that we've signed up for. This is where they're going to be able to download it. Okay, and what you'll see is that we've got this download button here. So they'll be able to download it. But what we've done is we've just copied over that information. So as they're downloading, there's another opportunity to them to see what they're missing out, and the opportunity to upgrade to the premium product here, which is this said product. Okay, so it's another little great way of moving people through to that product to be able to get that affiliate commission. Right, so now we move across to the last page in the affiliate campaign. And this is actually the bonus page, okay, the bonus download page. So just say the person had made a purchase of the upgrade product here. We've told them that there's going to be some bonuses. They've gone through, they've made the purchase, and when they receive that, when they get emailed through the system that they've got it, they'll also get an email that says that they've got some bonuses. They'll be able to download them, and this is the page that they will get to download them. Okay, and again, this is another opportunity to present another offer. Okay, because it's eyes on the page. Okay, so as you can see at the bottom, we've got the download button to download their freebies there, but we're also basically saying, look, you need to check out this presentation, and we're reminding them of all the features again. So again, this will go through to your affiliate link for that offer.